Nĩ ngatho citigarĩtie thekondi nini tu nĩgetha cikorwo cikĩhanda thaa ithatũ. Nĩ ngatho cia mwanya nĩ gũkorwo kĩnyitana ithuĩ thĩinĩ wa kĩo gabirũ thaa ithatũ tarĩki nĩ 21 naguo mweri nĩ wa Mworia Nyoni. Nĩ ndagĩcokereria oro rĩngĩ nĩgetha ngũmenyithie marĩa matinda makĩhanĩka. Niĩ njĩtagwo Irimwa Wanjirũ, metha-inĩ ya ũtaũri na njĩra ya ciĩko tũrĩ na mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Wambui Wagaku. Ũngĩnjĩtĩkĩria no twambĩrĩrie tũkũhiũka nginya kũrĩa Japan kũrĩa President William Ruto arĩ kĩgomano-inĩ gĩa kenda kĩa wonjoria na biacara gĩa T-Card bũrũri-inĩ wa Japan, kũrĩa akiugĩte wonjoria ũngĩgacĩrithio gatagatĩ ka Afrika na itarũ ingĩ nĩ ũgũteithia kana nĩ gũkorwo atĩ nĩ ũgũteithia na njĩra nene gũtura mamirioni ma mĩeke ya mawĩra ũndũ ũmwe na kũrurumũra ũrĩmi.
How are you?
Welcome to.
I have also been a strong proponent of reform of the international financial architecture. The current global credit rating system often overlooks Africa's unique economic realities, unfairly penalizing our countries during periods of global distress. This must change. Progressive reforms are essential to unlock affordable, predictable, and sustainable financing for development. I therefore support the proposal to establish an African credit rating agency, complemented by reforms in global credit rating systems to address structural inequalities. Intra-Africa trade accounts for only 15% of total continental trade. By all credible estimates, under the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, intra-African trade can surge by up to 50% in just 10 years. This would generate immense wealth, create millions of decent jobs, expand opportunities for MSMEs, and open new markets for African goods and services. Transformation cannot be achieved through endless strategizing, planning, or prevarication. It demands action. The courage to make courageous decisions today, even when inconvenient, in the short term, because the long-term good of our people is what matters most. Given the constrained fiscal space in many African countries, the private sector must also play a central role through effective public-private partnership. A vibrant private sector brings not only capital to bridge financing gaps, but also innovation, technology, and efficiency critical to sustainable growth.
Welcome, I'm glad to see you.
How are you?
Very well.
Nake spika wa bunge ya bũrũri Moses Wetangula nĩ areganĩte na mĩario wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri ya kuga ambunge nĩ marakorwo magĩtia mahaki nĩguo makorwo makĩhetũkia ndereti. Wetangula nĩ ateteire ambunge akiuga nĩ marutaga wĩra wao na wĩigĩrĩrĩki kũrĩa mĩario yake ĩkinyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ mũmbunge wa Kikuyu nĩwe Kimani Ichung'wa.
So honorable members, we are here as a leadership. Many were called, few were chosen. You are the chosen few in our house. And you come here carrying a responsibility. As Shakespeare said, an easy is the head that wears the crown. And the crown is on your head. And you have to carry this crown with dignity and honor. You must conduct yourself with a manner that brings honor and dignity to your offices. And you must know that leadership is about what you do to others. As holders of positions of public trust, I therefore call upon you all to live true to these principles. The consequences of deviating from these principles of leadership and integrity are fully known to us. Indeed, Parliament recently enacted the Conflict of Interest Act 2025, which consolidates provisions relating to conflict of interest under one law.
When we do not offer timely dissemination of information in the House, the public will always perceive what is out there to be the truth, and they are right, because that is what they have perceived. And that's why I say we have that challenge to be able to discuss among us ourselves and see how best can we communicate, not just from the clerk's office and the speaker's office or the leadership offices, but also individually, because we all appear in media stations. Many a times, Honorable Speaker, I've seen members appear on TV stations and speak to the issues that are before the House based on what they are reading in the media and seen on social media, but not based on the actual facts of what is before the House. And therefore, continuously, we must continue educating ourselves, taking a little bit more time to read, understand what is before us, so that we are also partakers in the dissemination of correct information.
Mr. Speaker, among the bills that are before us is the Roads Maintenance Levy Fund Bill. Section 6 of the Kenya Roads Board Act is the financing keystone of the entire National Roads Program. Because of this, we must, as a House, prioritize the consideration of the Kenya Roads Amendment Bill 2025, sponsored by Honorable Peter Kaluma on behalf of the House Legislative Caucus. The bill seeks to cure the constitutional defect identified by the High Court and petition number E2423 of 2024.
Na tukimurika riboti igi minista wa motungata kuri muingi Joy Friruku uria warite hindi ya githomo kia arugamiriri a thirikari guku Nairobi ne urite arugamiriri anene utungata-ini wa muingi kunyihanyihia thabari ari njira ya kuramata mbeca cia thirikari na makoro maigite muingi mbere niguo gukorwo ati ni marakinyaniria mubango wa President William Ruto. Riboti no kaihurirwo ni Wambui wa Ng'ang'a.
CS wa utungata wa muingi uthii wa nambere utuiria wa andu na tafarira cia mwanya George Ruku niuritie arugamiriria nene utungata-ini wa muingi metheme na tafarira iria itari cia bata na handu hoguo merutanirie kuheana utungata uri na muimirira mega ukoragwo uigite muingi mbere niguo mathie na mbere na kunyita mbaru mibango ya ugaruruku ya mutongoria wa bururi William Samoei Ruto.
Senior managers were here, the directors and assistant directors. We have an opportunity to join hands with the President of the Republic of Kenya in transforming our nation. President has said he's going to ensure Kenya is transformed in our lifetime. The remaining years, 7 years, is a very long duration of time towards the journey of transforming this country. Let all join hands with the head of state in giving him the necessary support for him to achieve the transformation agenda of our nation.
Akieria hindi ya githomo kia arugamiriria thirikari kirumeniririo-ini kia wira wa thirikari na uthii wa nambere hoteli-ini ya Ole Sereni kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, Ruku ni athing'iriirie bata wa kuhuthira mbeca cia thirikari na njira njega na kwirutira na njira njega wira-ini na kuria atongoria acio manyite mbaru mubango wa President William Samoei Ruto wa ugaruruku wa ugima wa mwiri BETA kana iria yuikaine ta engine of implementation.
All these trainings are important, are very good, but jameni, hii bandia hii itatuletea shida in our service delivery. Let's try as much as possible in building our workstations.
Ona kuri uguo Ruku niongereire ati mathina ta magucerithirio kwa kigena kia budget matiagiriirwo kuhuthirwo mari mweke wa kwaga kuruta wira wega na guthing'iriria ati no muhaka matungate a Kenya mari na wihokeku uigananiru na umenyereri.
Give all manner of excuses for us not to do what we are supposed to do. It's my humble request as senior managers, please try and push all the public servants that we have to do our best.
Girifotera Keo TV, Geteka Wambui wa Ng'ang'a.
Nĩ ngatho nyarari gwĩtwo Wambui wa Ng'ang'a, riboti ĩgatwĩkanya ga gũkorwo tũgĩthũmũra oro hanini. Nĩ ndĩracokereria na mangĩ maingĩ.
ino nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Uri wakinya handu ugatua matua ma gucenjia muturire waku o rimwe, wanakorwo na ihinda ria gwicurania na kuona ati muturire waku ndurathie na mbere uria kwagiriire, matua nomo mangigukinyia kuria waneririria, no ni mabataraga guthingatithio na kurumio.
Itanagira na ni MC John wa Githomo gikurehera andu manatua matua muturire-ini na itumi cia gutua matua mau.
Turakurehera tabarira ya muthingi wigue uria matua mangi manateithia aria mana matua na kumagarurira muturire. Tomugate wiki ugituria mundu muoyo, ende kiugo kiumite kanua-ini ka Jehova ni gituragia mundu muoyo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba.
Ndio.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba. Lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, haleluya.
O muthenya wa Friday thaa 3 cia rucini nyitanagira na ndungata cia Ngai kuma kanitha wa Jesus Wina Ministry tabarira-ini ya neno la uzima.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa hata kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa, lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa. Haleluya.
Ugatarwo na maandiko, ukahoerwo na ukaheo mwihoko muturire-ini. Neno la uzima nitugie kariko
of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire.
Rikoretwo rĩrĩ itĩna rĩega rĩrĩa ithuĩ Kiheo TV tũtwaranĩte nawe, ikinya gwa ikinya tugakinyũkithania tũgĩkũrehera tabarĩra itiganĩte cia gũgũcanjamũra, gũkũnora na gũkũhingũra maitho maũndũ-inĩ matiganĩte, tũnyitĩrĩire muoroto witũ mũnene wa gũkũhe mwĩhoko mũtũrĩre-inĩ. Na tondu ni o muthenya na ikereka ria ruhia, Kiheo TV nitugarurire ikinya niguo kwagirithia umemerekia witu, mogaruruku meru makirehe uthio mweru wa tabarira citu itiganite.
Ingira ustudio tutwale ngari. Haya. Aniki eheria.
Niki kioruma, niki.
Uyu ri, ndiamwireherie. Ndakarenda kweheria ngari. Angikorwo ndui gutwarithia ngari gotaigwe joro mwega wa Jewel Driving School. Eni hari ugo Jewel Complex 5 floor. Iguru.
Mutugo wa utereva mwega na umenyereri barabara-ini wambagiriria na kwamukira urutani mwega wa utereva thukuru-ini mwega uri na arutani akinyaniru na akindiriku. Thukuru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tuwekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigirĩrĩki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na Smart Driving License. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM, kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩ ngatho mwĩroreri twagicokereria tũng'etie mangĩ marĩa marĩ thĩinĩ wa kĩo Gabiru thaa 3 kũrĩ na mũtuthũko wa mũrimũ wa gĩthũkũ sub county ya Malindi kumana na ciana imwe kwaga kũheo njanjo ya gĩthũkũ. Maabitha a ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩ mekĩrĩte mũkonde ciana 4 nĩcio irĩ na mũrimũ ũcio mwena wa Shela taũni ya Malindi, makiuga nĩ mekwambia kambeini ya kũheana njanjo nĩguo arĩa matamũkĩrĩte makorwo magĩthecwo.
Ingawa kuna itikadi mbaya ambazo zinaingizwa katika swala hili la chanjo mara nyingi, lakini sisi viongozi wa dini jambo kama hili tunapinga kabisa, kwamba hakuna madhara yoyote kupeleka mtoto wako hospitali kwenda kupata chanjo, na ni tusikubali kwamba kuna watu wanapotosha jambo kama hili kusema labda kuna madhara. Kwa hivyo tungeomba jamii mjini Malindi na Kilifi County wawajibike kikamilifu kuwapeleka watoto hawa hospitali kupata chanjo kama hizi kikamilifu bila kudharau yoyote. Manake ikiwa inatangazwa kwamba kuna chanjo fulani inakuja, basi wazazi wajibike kuwatoa watoto wao wale ambao wametangaziwa kwamba chanjo kama hizi ziwafikie, basi wajitolee na wapate chanjo kama hizi badala kuchukua zile itikadi kali za upotofu ambazo hazina faida na katika jamii.
Baadhi ya changamoto kusema kweli ni kwamba kuna wazazi ambao wanapeleka watoto wao kwa zahanati kupata chanjo zile za mwanzo, lakini wanapopata zile chanjo za mwanzo wanasahau ya kwamba kuna zile za kuendeleza. Kwa hivyo unapata mtoto alipata chanjo moja, alafu ya pili na kuendelea hadi ya 3 hadi ile ya miaka 14 kama ni msichana unapata hapati. So ni jukumu la sisi kama washikadau na pamoja na wazazi tuchukulie jambo hili muhimu sana, kwa sababu ni katika ile juhudi hiyo ndio tunasema kwamba afya yako ni jukumu lako.
Iwapo kama tutahakikisha kila mtu tumekumbatia jambo hili na watoto wamepata chanjo ipaswavyo, basi zitatuweka katika hali nzuri ya kuzuia maambukizi ya magonjwa ama mripuko wa magonjwa. Na ningependa tu kuripoti ya kuwa kwa kuwa tuko chini sana katika masuala ya chanjo, watoto wengi namaanisha kuwa hawajapata ile kama measles, rubella ya pili, wengi walimalizia ile ya miezi 9. Kiwango chetu cha chanjo kiko chini, na hivyo pia tumeanza kuona dalili ya kuwa ni kweli kiko chini, kwa sababu kuna mkurupuko wa ugonjwa wa ukambi ndani ya Malindi. Tumeripoti visa kadhaa vya ukambi na tunaendelea na juhudi za kufanya kitu tunaita MOPA.
Kiũngano kĩa mathibitarĩ ma andũ kĩũmbe nĩmo Rufa maugĩte nĩ maratũngana na moritũ makĩgeria kũhe arwaru motungata kũgerera mũbango wa SHA. Maugĩte SHA nĩ ĩracirithĩria kũrĩha mbeca ciao, makiuga atĩ cigana nĩ cigana na nĩ ihinda rĩao onao makorwo makĩoererwo na ũritũ. Nĩ ngatho mwĩroreri wa Kĩo TV, hau nĩho tũgũkorwo tũgĩkĩrĩra gaturumo mohoro maitũ ma Kĩo Gabiru thaa 3. Nĩ ngatho kũrĩ jeshi yakwa ya nguvu ĩrĩa yatigĩrĩra mohoro maya nĩ magũkorwo magĩgũkinyĩra na njĩra ĩgwete. Njĩtagwo Irimwa Wanjirũ, mũtwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko Auma Wambui Wangaku, arĩ kamwe na Ngai marokũgitĩrwo kwa ũmũthĩ ũroko matakana nĩ ngwendete onake Ngai aikwenda ona makĩria.